Hi, I'm Deanna from Passionate Homeschooler and Pizzan Academy, and this is unboxing our Coffee and a Classic subscription box time. So let's dive right in and see what we got this month. So this is a subscription box, and they focus on classic literature and coffee, although I prefer tea, so I get tea in mine. And every month they send you a box, and it is in one of these photo boxes, which are great for storage, so I always enjoy getting that. And let's see what this month's book is. Now they have subscriptions for both adult and kids, and you can go online and see what the book is going to be and decide which one you want, or you can be surprised like what I like, so pretty much stick with the adult subscription. And this is what it looks like when you get the box. They send you a card, but I don't like to look at it because I like the element of surprise. So I'm going to see if I can get the novel out and see which one. Ooh, this is a great novel. I read this one when I was, I think, in either 8th grade or 9th grade. This is Moby Dick by Herman Melville. And this is a beautiful edition. This is the Word Cloud Classics. I have a hard time saying that order of words. And these are really nice editions. They've got kind of this soft cover, even though it's a hardback. And this is a wonderful book. I really enjoy reading it. So this is a nice little treat. So Moby Dick by Herman Melville is the box, and everything else in the box is going to be themed according to this. So this book is about a man. The first line of the book is "Call Me Ishmael," and so it's about a man who is haunted by this whale. The white whale is what it's called, and he basically spends his life chasing after it. And there's a lot of, it's sort of like if you've read Les Miserables and have read the unabridged version, there's a lot of information on whaling in here. And I know some people were like, oh, you can just skip those chapters and do the same in Les Miserables about the chapters about the sewers, but I find those things very interesting. So it's a pretty long book, but if you follow the advice of some, you can skip the whaling chapters. I just think it's really interesting, and it's very metaphoric, the novel, about sort of these demons that kind of take over your life and possess you, and that you're just haunted by them. So Moby Dick, wonderful book, and a beautiful edition of that. And let's see. Oh, this is a pillow cover. There we go. Well, that's really cool. I tend to change the pillows on my couch regularly, so this will be really fun. And when we can resume having book group, then that'll be fun to put on the couch.
Kind of looks like the cover for Jaws.
It does kind of look like the cover for Jaws, which I have somewhere in the house, but not right at my fingertips here. Okay, and then I get tea, so this is the Whale Iced Tea Pouches, Blue Mango Flavored. That sounds interesting. Wonder if it's actually blue tea. I might have to report back on that. And we have Sea Glass Candy, which I collect sea glass on beaches, and that is a pretty close representation. Big pieces though, those would be nice to find. And ooh, this is heavy. A whale bottle opener. How cute is that? And every month they give you a mug for you to enjoy your tea, and this one says, "Call Me Ishmael." So there you have it, this month's Coffee and a Classic book. Now, if you like classic literature, I definitely recommend the subscription box, because it's just fun every month to get a new book to add to your library, and then all of these fun accoutrements that go with it. You know, we at Pizzan Academy, we have classic literature curriculum for middle school and high school students, and we have a free trial. We'll put a link to that in the description below. And so you can check it out. It is full lesson plans. You don't really even have to read the book. You can just teach your kids, and it can be an after-school program, or if you're a homeschool parent, you can implement it into your curriculum. So thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what we're going to get for next month. Have a great day.